Question number 3, it reads, the parametric equations of a curve are given by x is equals to 2 sine theta plus 4, y is equals to cos 2 theta. So they want you to find the Cartesian equation and express it in the form ay is equals to bx squared plus cx plus d, where a, b, c, and d are constants. 6 marks, right? So for trig ratios, sine and cos, to formulate the Cartesian equation, you make use of sine squared theta plus cos squared theta is identical to 1. So it means I'm going to make sine theta the subject of the formula from the first equation. So I'm going to move 4 to the left side. You get x minus 4 is equals to 2 sine theta. Then divide both sides by 2. 2 and 2, they cancel off each other. So I'm going to get x minus 4 over 2. I hope you are following class. Right. Then we are given y is equals to cos 2 theta. So for this one, you simply apply the identity of double angle cos theta in terms of cos, right? What do you get? You get 2 cos squared theta minus 1. I hope you are following. So 2 cos squared theta minus 1 is identical to cos 2 theta. So now moving minus 1 to the left, you get plus 1 is equals to 2 cos squared theta. Then divide both sides by 2. So if 2 and 2 cancels off each other, you get y plus 1 over 2 is equals to cos squared theta, something like this. So I'm now substituting in the identity above here. So on sine squared x, I'm going to say x minus 4 over 2. Then you raise it by 2. Since x minus 4 over 2 is a sine, so to get sine squared, you raise it over 2, right? But the situation is going to be different for cos squared theta. Since cos squared theta was found as y plus 1 over 2, you are not going to square this. You are going to leave it as it is, since it is squared already. Then equate to 1. I hope you are following class. Right, so this power 2 raises both the numerator and the denominator. So if you expand the numerator, you get x squared minus x times minus 4 times 2, you get minus 8x, minus 4 squared, it gives you 16. Then 2 to the power of 2, you get 4. Plus y plus 1 over 2 is equals to 1. So our LCM is 4. I'm going to multiply by 4 throughout. So here is going to be multiplied by 4. Then you multiply this by 4. Then you multiply this by 4 to clear up the fractions. So 4 and 4 cancels off each other. You'll be left with x squared minus 8x plus 16. Then 2 into 4, you get 2. 2 times y, you get 2y. Then 2 times 1, you get 2. 1 times 4 on the right, it gives you 4. Right. So we are now collecting like terms, but remember, we want to leave ay on the left side. So our ay in this situation is the 2y. So I'm going to leave 2y on our left, right? Then the first term on the right is a term in x squared. It means if we move this x squared to the right, you get negative x squared, which is your first term on your right. Then the second term on your right is in x. So This term is going to be obtained by moving minus 8x to the right. You get plus 8x. I hope you are following. Then the last term, d, is a constant. So on the left side, 16 plus 2, you get 18, right? Moving 18 to 4, you get 4 minus 18. So your final answer becomes 2y is equals to minus x squared plus 8x, then 4 minus 18, you get minus 14. Then you are warm and dry. So in this situation, you are saying A is 2, B is minus 1, C is 8, and D is minus 14. You get yourself 6 marks.